How much liquid can you bring on board? What should be hand-carried or checked in? Here's what you need to know about hand-carried items to breeze through Changi Airport. Liquids, aerosols and gels are commonly referred to as lags. When packing your lags, bear in mind that containers must not exceed 100 milliliters. Even if a container is partially filled but is bigger than 100 milliliters, you will be required to discard it. All containers must be able to fit in a transparent, resealable bag not exceeding 1 liter in volume. Only one bag is allowed per passenger. According to the International Civil Aviation Organization, items with high liquid content, including liquid-solid mixtures such as pastes, are categorized as lags. Common examples include beverages, food products, personal care items and toiletries. Exemptions from the 100 milliliters rule include breast milk for infants and medication. So, be sure to check the container volume before you pack it in your hand carry. Can you also bring water? Liquids above 100 milliliters have to be discarded at security checkpoints. However, you can bring an empty bottle to refill after you have cleared security. Similarly, in-flight and duty-free purchases above 100 milliliters are sealed in tamper-proof bags with the receipt prominently displayed. You should only open these bags after clearing immigration at your destination country. Countries and airlines may have different requirements for lags and purchases, especially for transit passengers. If unsure, you should reach out to your airline for assistance. Depending on the airport you're at, security screening usually takes place either at the boarding gate or immediately after clearing immigration. If you are flying out of Terminals 1, 2, and 3 at Changi Airport, security screening is performed at the boarding gates. But if you are flying out of Terminal 4, security screenings are done immediately after departure immigration. Before the security check, prepare your passport and boarding pass for inspection. You will be handed a tray to place your hand-carry baggage and items. Passengers are encouraged to divest lags and electronic devices from your hand-carry baggage. You will also be required to take off any outerwear, hats, metal belts and accessories, and shoes that cover your ankles. Hold on to your passport and boarding pass though. Do keep in mind that certain items cannot be checked in. This includes common objects like power banks, batteries, and devices powered by batteries such as laptops and cameras. These items may pose a risk of fire or explosion and can be a major safety threat in the aircraft cargo hold. We hope this helped to unravel a common travel issue. For more details, check out our article on Now Boarding. Stay tuned for part 3 of Travel Unraveled.